It's quite clear.
Okay, thank you. I know for some students it's difficult, and for some it's they are able to manage because I don't have any other options other than this. That's the limitation I have. So please try to read. Otherwise, please listen when I am explaining you.
We can read it.
Okay.
Use of tissue from without restricted cognitive representation.
Over, right? We don't have additional timing and all. We have to. I have to explain you also. Okay. See, our question was, here you don't have to read the entire paragraph and you have to focus in the part B section. You mainly have to focus on the questions because here the question is writer suggest. Okay, suggest. So it's about writer's opinion. In that case, suppose if the entire paragraph has been filled with with only facts, then you won't understand in a single stretch, but I am trying to explain you. Suppose there are several facts in, but there are some opinions also. Okay, in that case, I will explain the question and I will try to simplify for you. The writer suggests that disagreement, there is a disagreement exists. So now you have to search in the paragraph only for disagreement where it is. If you are planning to read the entire paragraph, you won't be getting the idea. You have to do skim and scan. So suppose here,
Okay.
most of you know already, you have to take the keywords. Suppose if you are taking this ganglion cyst, suppose if you are taking this ganglion cyst as your keyword, then it's going to be a waste for you. Time waste. What you have to do, see, everywhere ganglionic cyst is repeating, so you shouldn't go for something common. There will be something like causes, here causes initially. So I just give dot, otherwise you don't have enough time for giving underline. Certain locations, why repeating, and female patients different age group. So this is how I mark. So it saves the time. Now it's like it's only related to disagreement. Okay. Now let's see any disagreement is there.
Mm.
So how I read is, okay, see, in the first paragraph, I am looking for only the question, disagreement. Okay, now they start with ganglionic cysts are the most common. I won't be reading that because it's from the first few lines by experience. It won't be happening with the first reading practice. By experience I know, ganglionic cysts are the most common cyst. So it is not talking anything about it. We are predicting they are. It won't be related to disagreement. Then, although they occur at all ages, frequently, see how I read is different than how you read. So, I am only starting from the initial few sentence or initial few words of each sentence, and I will be guessing what it could be. So, I am not finding any disagreement over there. So now it's like ganglionic cysts are well defined. Okay, well defined. So they are talking about some. It might be they are talking about some definition. Now they are most commonly located. Okay, commonly located. They might be talking about the location. I know most of you have read all this entire paragraph, and that's the reason why you won't be getting time over there. I'm only looking at the disagreement state. So I understood this is related to R, might be definition, well R well defined. Okay, definition again occurs at all ages, maybe related to ages and something like that. Okay, this is how I will be reading with experience. Now from here it's starting. There have been several theories. See, why theories are coming? There will be several theory. If it is one, it's somewhat like logical. If one theory is there and if everyone accepted, no problem with that. But there are several theories also. There have been several theories to explain the etiology, okay, etiology of ganglionic cyst. However, today date there is no single theory, so there is no agreement between them and explain the pathogenesis. Okay, so do you know the meaning of etiology?
Cause.
Hmm?
Yeah, it causes.
Cause. Causes.
Cause.
Okay, pathogenesis.
It's
Infections carried.
How it affected? I mean, the pathogenesis means the way it is affecting
It's like they are not
manner
going
of.
for the
Yeah.
exact meaning. I shared the screen with you, Google meaning. The manner of development of a disease. It's how it is the origin. So I will show you because this is the problem with the vocabulary. Say initially, they are telling initially. So they are not going for the direct. Okay, direct answer they are not going. They are like medical term and then common some normal vocabulary they have used. So you are like, at least even if you don't know this, but you can actually understand from the how. This is like we are thinking, okay, we are predicting even the sentence and I read only from here and you people were, means I also did the same mistake. I was reading the entire paragraph, but you will come to know. And always one of the tricks which I teach my students is that go for like words like connectors, like however, so, but you have to, although in those sentences you always have to focus. Right now I won't be able to show you that, but almost all time it will be related. See, however, it started with however. This sentence, even this sentence had been started with like that. So it's like most time it's not fixed. Most time the answer could be related to any so, but, therefore, however. In that word there will be some answer. You have to pay attention for that. Minute things which
Okay.
you never pay attention to.
Yeah.
Now writer thinks there is lack of data on pediatric ganglionic cyst because they are talking about lack of data. Second paragraph.
Limited amount.
Yes, that is the data. They use data only. Data. So your answer could be around there, somewhere around there.
Okay. Come.
You want question, right? Patient's parents. They are talking about patient's parents. Tend not to notice them. Patients, here talking about patient. Check whether anything related to patient's parents are available in the passage. Patients find they can soon learn to live with them. They are okay adjusting with their life. They don't typically cause patients. Don't see all this negative word. You have to pay attention. Don't, isn't, anything. They don't typically cause patient any like that. This is the keyword. Any noticeable discomfort. Only. These are the words you have to focus. They have only, sometimes it's like if it's only, the meaning itself will be changing. They have only temporary effect on patient's movement. Now again we can read. See, don't expect any right vocabulary. It's not there. It's something unexpected. Okay.
Actually, it is a bit difficult. Without two phones, we cannot
Yes.
concentrate. We couldn't identify what is the question actually after reading that full passage and all.
Yes, that's the
Actually,
limitation
we
we have.
couldn't concentrate as well. Yeah.
Yeah, I will be changing. Take time.
Anyway, ma'am, we need the tricks over there. That is the thing.
See, here they are, there is no direct recover here. Limited amount of data. Okay, somewhere is starting. And here it's, they are telling underreported as their presence is usually, why it is underreported, painless and often does not cause functional deficiency. So 2 points will be there. Noticeable, they don't have pain, they don't have discomfort, so C is the answer. See, here is the, I can't give you any trick over here. It's like underreported, that was the term they used. Lack of data is the, you got the keyword over there. And then I'm moving on to the next question, because every questions we won't be having trick. Now it's about, I will explain the question and you please focus. The two studies, second paragraph, had similar findings. So it's about two studies. Now question, it's in the same paragraph, second passage. Options you want? See, up to here only.
ഇതിലേത് പറയുന്നു?
First is talking about location, size, age group. Okay, age group, proportion,
Portion of gender. Gender bias.
let me explain to you.
Is it age group, ma'am?
Mm-hmm.
The location of the
Yeah, it's the location. Okay, so how you come to know the answer?
if they are telling this solar system and can yeah. Molar system are more commonly seen than dorsal system. So it's something called the part.
Okay, I will explain so that everyone can understand. See, the question was two studies. Okay, then there should be two studies. So I will be expecting some name or any study name over there, and then had similar finding. Okay, so see, I actually, when I was doing, I missed one question. I directly jumped without reading everything. I was only searching for the name. I was scanning for skim and scanning for only the name. So I just got the name. Okay, this is the name. Okay, then I focused on the. So when I did, I missed that one question. Okay, previous question I missed. At that time, I directly started answering. So I missed one question. So I expected, okay, for this question, if the answer is starting from here, the answer might be from here somewhere. So I managed. So I had an expectation it could be in an order. Most cases it could be in order, but we can't rely on that. So related to studies, so I searched for these names. So these are the names. So these two names. One first study showed that in children under 10 years. So they took under 10 years, and volar cysts were commonly seen that dorsal cyst. Now another term is why you people didn't get is that you don't know the meaning of this. I will show you the meaning. See, sometimes we have to learn. When you are practicing at that time, please take time to read some, understand some vocabularies. It might be needed. See, the word is conform. This corroborate. See the pronunciation.
corroborate,
And see that it means conforming. And now you read. If you read, see, first person said something, it is confirmed by the another person. So that's the reason why they have some similar findings. Then here they are talking about the same age and something like a patient suffering from volar cyst. But what is common? Because they confirmed something. So the answer is not in this line. It's in the middle. See, it's a comma over here. It's not understandable. But there is a comma and there is a next sentence. So the answer is starting between that full stop and comma. Mostly the importance of punctuation is that it will be a next sentence. So answer could be related to punctuations also. If you know the punctuation, it would be helpful in some extent. So that's why, see, I will explain one time. When they told studies, I haven't looked for studies. I look for the name and I directly noticed two names over there. I concentrated and read the same sentence and there was the answer. Now wax and wane, what it is. Have you read? Okay, I will explain. See, when you get something like this, only most time you have to read that, mark that particular sentence. Sometimes the answer could be from there. And now I will show you the question again. Okay, I will explain. See, answer will be dimension of the ganglionic cyst itself. because they are not talking about any dimension, they are talking only 1 to 3 centimeter. Suppose they will be asking in the passage what is the meaning of this and that. In that case, only one thing you can do. Most time you focus on the same sentence. Okay. Suppose in case here we can get from the single sentence, and if you spend time over here it will be waste of time. Otherwise sometimes they will be asked what is they in the passage. In that case they means, it means plural. They means it's plural. It means it's something singular. So they means, okay, talking about something, two things, more things. It means something about one thing. So you questions will be there. In that case, it is known as grammatically, I think it's known as pronoun he. Instead of name we will be using he. Instead of table we will be using it, like that. So we have to go and check in this before sentence, not on the same sentence. If it is they, that, or light, like that. Otherwise mostly you will be getting the answer from the same sentence itself. Am I clear to you? See, with one, now I guess you will be having more curiosity to do more things, and definitely you will be having doubt. Try to correlate, and whenever you are doing a reading, one mistake of students are they will be keep on practicing, and they are not coming back and trying to figure out what happened, why the answer became wrong. But if you, I know it's frustrating to do the reading section. Most students will be closing and going, and they will be relaxing. Later after several hours they will come back and read everything in the passage, they will forget, and now you can't get the answer. In that case, when you are doing the reading, the same time you have to come and check for the answer and understand why you made the mistake and correct yourself. That is the only option. In the you can read. You can unmute and read.
Ma'am, sometimes they will ask like what the author meant by that wax and wane. So in that type of questions, what will be the answer for that paragraph, ma'am? Sometimes the author will ask like what the author meant by wax and wane. Sometimes they will ask like that, no? The questions will come like that.
Here the answer is B. 1, 2, 3 they have mentioned, that's a dimension. It's not that they have written dimension over there. 1, 2, 3.
Can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay.
See, in case if you are having network issue, the video will be available in the recording section. Okay, please watch that, because I know some students are facing this. Okay, 11th question. The meaning of wax and wane is undergo, alternate, increase and decrease. My students are so understanding. I would like to thank you, Anuba. one problem with such type of question is that sometimes we won't be getting the real meaning. In that case, see, if you're good in English at that time you can manage. Sometimes if you are not good in English, then you have to go for a guess. In the fourth paragraph, we learned that, okay, I will show you the, this is the, finished. I guess you people have read.
C, answer will be C.
Yes. Okay, since you told the correct answer, I want to know how you understood that question, because each person will be doing in a different style. How you found out that answer?
On the last sentence, that the aspiration of any gatherers is a challenging procedure to perform younger children with higher rates of recurrence and the potential to inflict damage to adjacent vital structures.
Did you understood the entire meaning? What is written over there?
Yeah, I understood. Somewhat.
Okay. So the question is what we learned. In the fourth paragraph, we learned that using some technique to treat pediatric patient. So something we are learning from here. That is how we have to understand. So your answer is in this passage. So we learn, okay, something rather than facts, something we are learning from here. So what is that conclusion? What is that summary? So that's how I will be looking for. So there is a word like this, therefore, hence, thus. So that is a conclusion. What we learn something. So the answer will be in the connectors. I told you to focus on the connectors. Okay, carries more risk than with other age groups. So therefore it is generally not recommended for the pediatric population. And the reason you will be getting off from the remaining. It's not recommended for the pediatric patients because it carries more risk than with the other groups. Here they are telling damage to adjacent, so on younger children with high rates of recurrence. So from there you have to understand. So I just went for this therefore only. So I haven't read the other things because I just look for the keyword. By experience you will be getting. So this will be our last question. The main reason, okay, you can read. It's about jaundice studies underwent surgery was because at least you found out this answer, the keyword, right, Janadi? Every time you won't get clue from this, however, see how I mark first time itself, however, and I check for the answer over there. Then I didn't find out that answer over there. But it's like one main reason. There will be several other reasons also, but what is the main reason? B will be the answer. See, actually, I found it's from the observation. The main reason, most time, what they use is that they go for the most common. Main reason, what is the prime reason, most common will be the term they will be using. It's not always. The patient underwent surgical excision. Underwent surgery was because one is functional limitation. Functional limitation, they are saying like hand normally problems, so they are not using. But from few questions, when I observe main reason, they are sometimes the synonyms which they use is the most common reason. It's not necessary, but I observe that.